I never really thought that I would see and have confirmed pictures of terrorists beheading children. I never thought I'd ever, anyway, but there are countries in the region that are trying to be of some help, including Arab nations.
In a televised address on Wednesday night, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that the Palestinian terrorist groups beheaded soldiers in Israel. US President Joe Biden also confirmed the beheading. However, the White House later issued a clarification that Biden and other US officials had not seen or independently confirmed that Hamas terrorists beheaded Israeli children. In a possible step ahead of the ground offensive into Gaza, Israel has ordered military closure in the region. US Defence Secretary Lloyd Austin on Sunday ordered the USS Gerald R Ford carrier strike group to sail to the eastern Mediterranean to assist Israel if the need arose. As per reports, US Secretary of State Antony Blinken has reached Tel Aviv in Israel today. According to reports, he will meet with senior Israeli officials. The US Embassy in Israel stated that the Secretary would reiterate his condolences for the victims of the terrorist attacks against Israel and condemn those attacks in the strongest terms.
Simple and clear message on behalf of the President of the United States and on behalf of the American people. And that is that the United States has Israel's back. We have the back of the Israeli people. We have their back today. We'll have it tomorrow. We will have it every day. We stand resolutely against terrorism. We've seen the almost undescribable acts committed by Hamas against Israeli men, women, and children. Every day, we're learning more, and it is simply heartbreaking. Not since ISIS have we seen this kind of depravity, and we will continue to stand very resolutely against it. When I'm in Israel, I'll have the opportunity to meet with Prime Minister Netanyahu, President Herzog, other senior officials. I look forward to seeing our embassy team as well that's been doing terrific work during these difficult days. We're determined to make sure that Israel gets everything it needs to defend itself, to provide for the security of its people. Already, significant military assistance requested by Israel is on the way. That's on top of everything that we've been doing for years, including with the Memorandum of Understanding that was negotiated by President Obama to make sure that Israel has what it needs to defend itself.
The US State Department has confirmed that at least 22 American citizens have been killed in the cross-border attack by Hamas. However, the National Security Council spokesperson John Kirby said that he couldn't confirm details on where or how the Americans were killed as the individual circumstances are not exactly clear. The State Department also wants US citizens to reconsider travel to Israel and the West Bank. The combined casualties from both Israel and Palestine have crossed 3,300 so far. Israeli authorities reported that approximately 1,200 people, primarily civilians, lost their lives in the assault. On the other hand, the Gaza Health Ministry stated that at least 51 Palestinians have been killed and 281 have been injured in the overnight airstrikes by Israel in Gaza. The total death toll in Gaza since Israel's retaliatory raids has crossed 1,200. The residents in Gaza are facing ever-growing uncertainty after the territory's only power plant ran out of fuel and shut down on Wednesday. Israel has announced a total blockage of power, fuel, and food to the region.